it's Jean from the Inky Studio. I have finished the fabric covered no-sew folio journal pouch. A lot of words there, and it is covered with fabric. I love this coral, pinky coral shade. It's very lovely. And I added this doily, this vintage doily, to the top of it. And it measures about 10 inches long and about a little over 4.5 inches wide. And it just secures with a button and a seam binding tie, and I reinforced that area. And I have made, well, we'll get to that later. So here's the inside with the journal, and there are 60 pages front and back throughout here. On the left side is a flip up, and it flips up this way, and inside, on the inside of the flip, is a long pocket, and I have a large journaling card that slips inside that area. And then down here are 3 pockets that are filled with some journaling cards. I have put a lot of butterflies and birds, ephemera, inside of this journal. Here is the large tag that fits in the back, a label, and the top of the flip has a secret flip up that you don't really notice right away until you lift it up, and you have a place here to write on the inside of that flip. So we'll get started with the pages. I have made a writing board out of some cardstock that is stored inside this pocket, and it helps you to have a nice firm base to write on. And so we have pinky corals and we have teals. These are the 2 main colors in here. I have an altered paper clip that you can use as a bookmark. There's tea stained papers. The digital paper comes from the Graphics Fairy. Here's some vintage music paper. A couple of journaling cards, a little bit of lace, a little muslin tab there. Beautiful rose pocket. Some tracing paper. Love the ladies in here, they're very pretty. And here is an envelope, like a seed packet type of envelope, with a journaling card on the inside. And this is some sketching paper here with graph paper. Another pocket with some more lovely ephemera tags and things of that nature. And lots of writing space in here, as well as very decorative areas. And here is another altered tag. Fits inside that pocket. Here is an envelope. It is not a, doesn't have sides on it, but you can open it up and do some journaling on the inside and close it up with this little tab there. Gonna mark where I put all these pieces. Lovely girl here. Birds. Beautiful lavender woman there. And here is a little booklet, a little bird booklet here. Double-sided inside there with a little muslin on the spine so it'll last a while for you. Graph paper. Here is the center page of the signature. And a little owl charm I like to put inside my journals. Another pocket with some more pieces of ephemera, birds and butterflies. A pocket, or sort of like a seed packet envelope, I should say, with a lovely card inside there. And another pocket with some more tickets and a tag. Collage pages. You can write on these. You use like a dark pen. And here are a couple more journaling pieces inside this pocket. And I think this is the fourth one, the last of the seed envelopes. Love this little girl. She's so sweet. Some tracing paper, music, and one more of those bird booklets for making notes in. Oops, and there's one more. One more of the seed packet envelopes. There we go. That's on the back. And then we come to the end. Now you can put other things in this pocket if you wanted to. You could store this writing board here in the back and then fill this with other things that you may want to put in there. You may want to put a pen or other pieces of memorabilia, and it just closes up like so. So thank you so much for viewing. I hope you enjoyed this, and subscribe, and please like this video if you liked this. I'd appreciate it. And we'll be back with you next week. Have a great day. Bye.